In this video, you will learn exactly how to summarize text using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most powerful AI tool right now, and you should start using it. By the way, did you know that many millennials are worried that ChatGPT will take their job? In fact, they might be right, because right now, every worker, every business person should be using ChatGPT as an assistant. Otherwise, these kind of AI tools will take your job. There's also a big opportunity when you teach companies how to use ChatGPT. Now, you can go to ChatGPT and, for example, copy and paste any text and it will make a summary for you. So now I went to my own blog, I copied and pasted this article about AI examples and use cases. Then I go to ChatGPT and I paste this text and I click enter. It will now start doing the summary. I have to say that sometimes this doesn't work. If your text is really long, you have to do this in 2 steps. However, this is amazing and you can start learning new things and discovering new things. Plus, imagine how many people would need this kind of information. So, try this right now. You have the prompt under this video. The next step is even better because you can make a summary of any YouTube video. Imagine how much you can learn by using this feature. If you go to YouTube and try to copy and paste the URL to ChatGPT and ask for a summary, it doesn't work. You have 2 options. Simply, you go to the video. Under the video, there are 3 dots. You click here. You click Show Transcript. In this video, when I tried it earlier, it said no result found. Okay? Normally it works. For this video, it didn't work. However, you can go to another website. You can put it here. This website is youtubetranscript.com. You can click on Go and it will generate a transcript. Now you would copy and paste this. On ChatGPT, you would say, make a summary of this text. It's a transcript of a YouTube video. And you paste the text here and you click enter. Now we have our summary here. You can ask, hey, please make that more extended. Please make that 400 words. Or please give a list of the 5 most important things about this text, and so on and so forth. So this is an amazing opportunity to use ChatGPT to summarize text. Remember to subscribe so you will see all my future videos about ChatGPT.